Natural Reader Basics. This video will teach you how to upload files and access your library, how to choose a reading voice and reading speed, and how to use closed captions. First, open a web browser and in the address bar, type in naturalreaders.com. In the upper right corner, click the blue button and a drop-down menu will appear. Click EDU. You should already have an account by now, so go ahead and click View My Account. Enter your school email and click Next. Enter your password and click Next. To open Natural Reader in your web browser, click on Web App. Before we get started, let's make a shortcut and bookmark this page so we can have easy access to it. Go to the upper right corner of your screen where the vertical three dots are. Click on that and then click on Bookmarks and Lists. From there, click on Show Bookmarks bar. Now click the star in the address bar in the upper right-hand corner and type in Natural Reader. Click Done. Now we have a shortcut we can click on that will take us straight to Natural Reader. Next, we will upload a document. In the left-hand side of your screen, click Document and click Document again. Locate your file and click Open. And your file will appear in the center of your screen. You can also drag and drop the file into the middle of your screen to upload a file. Next, accessing the library. On the left side of your screen, click on Library, and you will see all of the files that you have uploaded. To keep your files organized, create a folder. Click on the folder icon in the upper right corner of your screen and type in the name of your class. Click Create. Next, go to your file that you just uploaded and go to the right of the screen and click on the vertical three dots. Choose Move to Folder. Choose the correct folder your book belongs in and click Move. And now your file should be in the correct folder. To choose a reading speed, click on the picture at the top of your screen. These are all of the voices that are available to you in a U.S. accent. If you would like to listen to something different, you can click the drop-down menu and choose a different English accent. You can choose from Canada, UK, or Australia. And these are all of the accents that are British accents. But for now, let's use the US accent.
Biology is the science that studies life. What exactly is life? This may sound like a silly question with an obvious answer. However, it is not always easy to define life. For example, a branch of biology called virology studies viruses.
To choose how fast the voice speaks, click on the 1x at the top of your screen. I always recommend students to start out at 1x, or you can dial it down to 9.4. Sometimes the pitch of the voice can make the voice sound faster or slower. Closed captions make it easier to view and follow along with your reading. To use closed captions, click on the closed captions icon in the upper right corner of your screen. It has two C's in the middle of a square. Next, click on the text to start the reading. Thank you for watching.